Pretty grown swag. Pretty grown swag. Pretty grown swag. Pretty grown swag. Ay. Pretty swag. Pretty.
Hey y'all, good night or good morning, depending on when you're watching this. So y'all, I got off work and I slept. What time is it? I don't even have my phone with me. But I slept for a long time and I gotta get up and I gotta cook because I gotta bring lunch to work tomorrow. That's what I gotta do. I gotta bring lunch to work tomorrow because I'm getting tired of buying food. Like, I'm getting tired of it. I'm getting tired of it, y'all. So I decided that, you know what? I'm gonna discipline myself and I'm gonna cook. And y'all, I hate cooking. I do. It's not that I can't do it. I can do it. But I just tell people I can't. So they won't be like, oh, we having a cookout. Now you can cook this. No, now you can't because now you can't cook. So that's my madness behind the, how you say it? What's the method behind my madness? My madness behind it. Okay, y'all, I figured it out. That's my, let me get my phone so I can say it right. That is my method behind my madness, okay? That's why I tell people I can't cook. So y'all be thinking y'all doing something like, oh, you can't cook, you can't cook. Yeah, you're right, I can't. Guaranteed spot for me to not bring anything to the cookout. Guess what? I can't cook. Even though y'all might see this video and be like, oh, Naya, so we know you're mad. You know your method. Y'all just gonna act like y'all didn't see this, though. Y'all gonna act like y'all didn't see this. Because if I say I can't cook, I can't cook. You got it? Oh, okay. So anyway, I'm not cooking right now, but I'm gonna cook. And y'all, I have this wig. Y'all, her name is Lacy. Please don't judge my Lacy. Okay? Please do not judge my Lacy. When I put it up to this camera, y'all better not laugh. Y'all better not laugh. Please do not laugh at my Lacy. It's been, I've had her for a year and a half, okay? Things been getting kind of hard. When I wash her, she tangles. I bleach her, thinking it's gonna get better. It got worse. It got worse. Like, this is a 4x4 30-inch. Probably a 29, 28 inch because I've been cutting the ends because they've been splitting. Since been splitting. So things are kind of rough for me, Lacy, right now. I've been trying to work this out between us, but Lacy just don't want to work with me. So please, respect our privacy, and just show some respect whenever she comes in the camera, okay? Because me and her have had some trying times. Alright, y'all. Lacy, baby, you ready? Lacy, baby. You ready? Alright. Lacy's about to make her appearance. Y'all. She looks a little ragged. It's so hard, y'all. It's so hard because I paid $280 for this unit. And $280 ain't giving me what I needed. It didn't give what it was giving. You know? But it's okay because tonight I'm gonna transform Lacy, okay? Lacy's gonna go from looking like this. She's gonna look like a bad one. She's gonna look like Lacy, baby. I'm sorry you gotta hear this. Lacy's gonna look like she finally came to her senses, okay? This was the first closure I tried to customize. And see, I thought it was cute, but guess what? A Nicki Minaj fan page came for my lace. The picture was cute, but Lacy just had an off day. It's in my archives. And I'm gonna read the comment to y'all. Okay? A Nicki Minaj fan page. I'm sorry, I can't even get it out, y'all. Because I'm a Nicki Minaj fan. I'm a bar boss though. So this hurt my heart. This really, really hurt my heart. A Nicki Minaj fan. I deleted it. But just imagine what she said about me. And y'all already know they rude as hell. You already know they rude as hell. Just look at me. And I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. I just didn't think that it would have been a Nicki Minaj. My sisterin or my brotherin. I wasn't expecting that. But you know what? It's alright. It's alright. So enough of my foolishness. Let's go ahead and fix this baby up. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go through and flat iron this joint. And I'm actually gonna make these into some French bangs, y'all. I'm about to have a bang. Hey Siri. Is this sleep? Hey Siri. Play. Not the bang. The bang. Oh.
Yeah, hold up. Not the bang. The bang. Oh. Fuck no, not the bang. The bang.
I don't know if I'm gonna record me flat iron. I'm gonna flat iron it. Now I'm gonna record like little snippets of me flat iron it, okay? Y'all know how to flat iron a wig. I put the wig details in my description box. Y'all got my honest review on. I didn't get sick this hair. I paid my hard-earned money. Do as you please. Just don't fuck me for it. So look at this bald spot. I'm gonna let y'all know now. I'm not a professional hairstylist, y'all. I'm not licensed. I just look at YouTube videos and do what I see. So give a fair warning. If you looking at this to get a direct tutorial on how to do fringe bangs, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. I am not the best when it comes to cutting hair. I'm a little heavy-handed. I'm a little heavy-footed. Get that from my grandma. So if y'all hear footsteps in the background and stuff, if it's only me, yeah, that's me. Whenever I drive, I be going like 80 and a 40 because I'm so heavy-footed, y'all. So please, if you're looking at this as a tutorial, because honestly, I don't know how this about to turn out myself. So I mean, y'all can keep watching. But I'm just giving you a fair warning right here, right now, so y'all won't be in my comments like, oh my god, she thought she ate that. You get what I'm saying? Because no. And I'm a little lazy, because guess what? I still got to go cook. So what I did was I put mousse. I put mousse on like the perimeter or whatnot. And now I'm about to just flat iron this bang because sis, I got work in the morning. Okay, I mean it is the morning, but I got work. So I think right after this I probably won't have to get ready for work, but it's okay, cause I'm bored and I want to give some content. So I mean, why not? Like, what? So yeah, this is gonna be the part that I make the bang, Lord, please. I gotta cut the bang on myself, but this is the part I'm gonna use, y'all. I I bleached this wig on my own, y'all. If the color's looking a little uneven, y'all, yeah, I did it. Okay? I mean, I paid somebody to do my hair before, and I didn't regret it. But at the same time, like, I'd rather just learn to do it myself. Because y'all know stylists nowadays, what they do is they have, like, I know these stylists not going to admit it, but they have favorite clients. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've hit up the stylist from my city plenty of times to do my hair, and sis ain't ever respond. And you know, like me, back in the day, I would like text and text and text and text and text till I can't no more about getting my hair done. But now it's like, okay, lady, if you don't want to do my hair, that's fine. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm happy you didn't respond, because I would hate for somebody to be in my hair. They don't even feel like doing my hair for real. That's the worst feeling. You don't gotta beg no stylist to do your hair. That's why I started learning how to do my own. I actually laid other people's wigs or whatnot for free though, because I ain't licensed. And they like them. For me to do my hair myself and everything, like, yeah, I'm pretty good, because I had plenty of wigs like Lacy. My girl Lacy. Okay, I've wasted plenty of good wigs trying to learn how to do my own hair. But, hey, I mean, you live and you learn. Now I know that if I ever want to practice on a wig to use synthetic, and obviously I didn't learn that lesson yet because this is human hair, but I mean, shoot, Lacy is already in bad shape. Ain't that right, sis? Ain't that right, Lacy? Lacy, you can turn to the camera if you want to. You ain't gotta be Sarah.
Yes, but see, me and Asia, we're getting better. Our relationship gets better every single day. And when I watch her wear these other wigs, it makes me want to act right, you know? I don't want to put her through the pain and struggle no more. So I fully consent to being a test dummy.
My girl. See, like me and Lacy, we have this connection. It's all love. Just like every relationship, you know, it has its ups and downs, but it's on you to decide whether you want to work through it or if you don't want to work through it. So, now me and Lacy, we get better every day. Every time, you know, I just throw it to the side to pull another wig. She understands. Lacy is on. Y'all, I did not go through and flat iron this whole wig. I didn't feel like it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I didn't feel like it. How y'all think this gonna turn out? I don't know, man. We about to see though, cause y'all, I don't know, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. Cause you know how when you normally watch tutorials on people doing things, they be like, oh my gosh, I'm scared, and it turns out good. Y'all know, like, this is gonna be one of the cases where everybody gonna turn out the way it's supposed to. It's definitely not going to give what it's supposed to give, but I watch a girl do this on TikTok, so I'm about to try it. First, I need to be real with myself and stop pulling my wig down, cause that just ruins the whole point of the bang. Y'all, I am scared. Okay, I'm gonna tie this rubber band tight. And I'm also about to just adjust my wig. I'm about to put mousse, cause y'all these flyaways, y'all see them? I put mousse. Lord, Lacy baby, listen, do not fail me now. Well, I put a little mousse so everything goes down, so I can only focus on the bang. Y'all, I am nervous. Okay, how the wig look on my head? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm taking so long to finally get to the point because I'm scared. I'm gonna cut, oh Lord. I'm gonna cut longer, right? So I'm gonna cut like right here. Ooh. Oh wow. Yeah, I did it. How y'all think it's gonna turn out? Y'all probably like, well damn ho, you gotta take the shit out the rubber band first. Okay, stop, don't fight me. I can't see out my eyes, y'all. Alright. Right there. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all see what we got in my eyes? Oh, God. Yeah, God, I'm calling you now because I need you. Okay. Let me just... And then she said what you're going to do is you're going to snip it up. Like, you're going to snip it up. Think I'm going to snip it up? Snip, snip, ho. I think I'm getting a little too happy. Then we're going to curl it. We about to curl it. Trying to curl it, right? Curl it. But it ain't flattening. Lacy, you want me to walk around like this? Is this what we are now? You know what, Lacy? It's alright, I still got faith. I might just slap some mousse on them. What can't mousse do? And I'm gonna just, you know, just... Oh, it's a little... Cause I mean, what can't mousse do? Uh-oh. And I'm actually about to go back and I'm gonna curl it again. Like, y'all, sometimes you gotta pep talk your wigs. You definitely gotta pep talk your wigs into doing right, cause you know, sometimes they act a little stubborn. Like, all my wigs love me now because you know, I be pep talking them. Be making them feel good and stuff, you know. When you encourage your wigs to do right, I promise you, they're gonna do right. Now, see, me and Lucy already had a little bit of ups and downs. I thought a flower was gonna drop on me. What y'all think? And then whenever I curl, I just rush through it, cause I mean, why not? Shoot, I still gotta cook. What y'all think? What y'all think? I really just need a wig that I could just slap on and walk outside with. And this is gonna be that wig. I think I have to do my makeup and stuff. I think it'll be straight. But alright, y'all, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, because I don't like when YouTubers be yelling at me like subscribe. No, I don't like that. So please subscribe, like, and comment. Is there anything else I want to say? I gotta come up with a tagline still. But yeah, y'all, and I'm out.